How to install Bilibili on Android. First of all, go to the Play Store on your device and search for Bilibili using the search bar. From the results, choose the official app and press the install button. The file will begin downloading, and as soon as it completes, the installation process will run by itself. Within a short time, the app will be ready to use. In some cases, the Play Store might not show the app in your region. If that happens, you can still access Bilibili content by visiting the official website at bilibili.tv through your browser. There is also another way to install the app using APK Pure. To do this, make sure APK Pure is installed on your phone. Open it, type Bilibili in the search box and confirm. Select the correct app, tap on it to view details and then hit the install button provided at the bottom of the page. The app will download and then install automatically. When the installation is complete, look for the Bilibili icon in your app list. Open it and you will be able to log in or sign up for a new account. After that, you can start browsing videos, anime, and live streams right away. Now you know how to install Bilibili on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.